L.J. Smith offers a wide selection of square-top wood baluster designs that are available in 14 standard and premium wood species. In this video, we're going to show you the installation process for installing square-top wood balusters on an open tread stairway using our dowel fast screws and wood pins. To begin the installation process, the baluster locations should already be marked on the treads. The handrail should be cut and ready to attach to the newel posts, and all balusters should be trimmed to length. If installing balusters with dowel fast screws, drill a 1/4 inch hole into the tread at each baluster location. Turn the baluster into the hole until it contacts the tread surface, and then turn it further until the base is parallel to the tread edge and the top angled cut is ascending with the rake of the stair. Position the handrail on top of the balusters and permanently attach the handrail to the newel post. Using a level, plumb the baluster and secure the top to the handrail using finish nails. If installing balusters with wood bottom pins, go ahead and permanently attach the handrail to the newels at this time. Drill a 3/4 inch diameter hole 3/4 inch deep into the treads at each baluster location. Place a small amount of wood glue into the holes. Place the baluster pin in the hole and swing the baluster top into position in the handrail plow. Using a level, plumb the baluster and secure the top to the handrail using finish nails. The spaces between the balusters will need fillet installed to fill the handrail plow. Mark and cut fillet pieces, apply wood glue, and secure them in place using finish nails. See how easy it is to install L.J. Smith square top balusters on an open tread stair.